Today I'm showing you how to replace the cabin filter on a 2013 BMW X3. First step, open the glove box. It's kind of a strange one. These cabin filters are tiny, compared to most other cars' pollen filters. But what you want to do is up here on the top, there's a little door. Just push in this little tab right here and release that. Once you pull that out, you get access to the housing where it is. You can see that there's two little tabs here that you push in, here and here. And with those in, you can fold this down like that. So you just push in those things and then release that. Then you can see the cabin filters. They're pushed in side by side, going vertically. So you reach in here and grab them. Using a little pick sometimes is a nice way to do it too. You can hook the edge of it. Then you just pull it down like this. So pay attention to the direction of flow. They'll have a little arrow on them. Or whatever the dirty side is obviously the side that is the incoming air. So with the new ones, when you install them, you install it from the dashboard towards the outside of the car, towards the front of the car. So the arrow is going to point, the arrow on this is going to point forward like this. So that one's out, and then the other one is slid in towards the center of the dashboard, and then so you have to get in there and slide it like that and then pull that down. So that one goes in the same way, the arrow towards the front of the car. So take the new one, make sure it's pointed the right way. You stick one of them in like this, push it all the way up, make sure that it's going up nicely. This one's kind of wanting to get weird on me. There it is. And then once it's up there, you just push it to the side. Make sure you have the top edge, the whole thing pushed over. You can get a little pick or screwdriver or whatever it takes to help you get this thing in there correctly. And then you can take the new one and push it in there and close the door on it and put the whole thing back together. So that's it. It's kind of a strange one, but not too hard. Yeah, thanks for watching.